All right, y'all. So this is another homework question out of the review. This is problem number 31. And it says solve the inequality and give the solution set using interval notation. So y'all, first thing I'm gonna do is before I start to solve the inequality, I wanna get the absolute value part by itself. So we're gonna go ahead and divide both sides by 2. Y'all, that's gonna leave us with the absolute value of x minus 4 is bigger than 6 divided by 2 is gonna give me 3. Now, y'all, all I did is I went over to our study guide or the formula sheet, and I'm gonna look at my problem right here, and I'm gonna look at these two formulas and decide, hey, which one of those formulas should I use? And if you notice, y'all, I'm gonna use the third one, right, because of the direction of my inequality sign, okay? So y'all, just to do like a little stare and compare, think of this as my y and think of this as my a. So the first part says y is smaller than a, so I'm gonna say x minus 4 is smaller than, negative 3, or x minus 4 is bigger than positive 3. So we're going to go ahead and solve them. We're going to add 4 to both sides. Okay. And I'm going to get x, not equals, but less than. X is less than negative 3 plus 4, 1. Or when we add 4 to both sides, here we're gonna get x is bigger than 7. Okay, so now y'all, what I'm gonna do, to write it in interval form, I'm first gonna draw my graph. Now remember, over here on my graph, y'all, to the far right, negative or positive infinity, to the far left, negative infinity. There's two numbers that I'm gonna put, 1 and 7. I'm gonna leave those circles open because I do not have an equal sign under my inequalities. Now, if we look, y'all, it's telling me in which direction we should shade. We should shade to the left of 1, and we should shade to the right of 7. So if I'm going to start to write my answer in interval form, we started shading at negative infinity, we stopped at 1, we started up again at 7, we went all the way to infinity, and then we're going to put the u in the middle, okay? That's the union. It's just connecting those two. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help.